Hello, wonderful learners. Welcome back to Quishdom, your favorite English learning channel. I'm Anna, and I'm truly happy to see you again today.
And I'm Leo. Great to be here, Anna. What a beautiful day to learn English together, right?
Absolutely. And today, we begin something very special, a complete beginner-friendly journey through real-life English conversations.
So today, no long grammar charts, no confusing rules, just natural English that you can actually use when you speak to people in the real world.
Exactly. Think of today's session as a friendly walk through daily English, step by step.
All right, Anna, let's begin with the most important question people ask. Tell me about yourself. Many learners freeze when they hear this.
Yes, but it's actually very simple. Just remember 3 things. Name, place, and one detail about your life. Example, my name is Anna. I'm from Australia. I love reading stories.
Exactly. And you can add your hobby if you want. Here's mine. My name is Leo. I'm from Brazil. I enjoy hiking and drinking strong coffee.
Perfect. And now, everyone watching. It's your turn. Say your own introduction, out loud. Don't worry, nobody is judging you. Speaking even one sentence builds confidence.
What's next, Anna?
Something you use every day. Talking about your daily routine. You don't need long, complex sentences. Short and clean English is the secret. Example, I wake up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth. I make breakfast. Then I go to work.
See? Simple and natural. Now, my routine. I wake up early, but I always feel sleepy. I drink coffee and check messages. Then I start work.
Everyone, now make your own 3 sentences routine. Amazing! Even if you said only one sentence, that's progress.
Anna, can we go somewhere fun now? Maybe a cafe?
Okay, now imagine walking into a small cafe with soft music. Here are the magic phrases. Good morning. Can I have a cup of tea, please? Anything else? For here or to go. Thank you. Now let's practice with a mini role play.
Good morning. Can I have a latte, please?
Sure, anything else to eat?
A muffin, please.
For here or to go?
To go, please.
Great. That'll be $4.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You see, it's very easy. Now everyone repeats this conversation. Say it once, nicely, and politely.
Now let's go shopping. Many learners feel shy asking for prices. But you only need one sentence. Like, how much is this? And if it's far away, how much is that? If you want to be polite, how much is this, please? Or you can say, can you tell me the price? Now let's practice.
All right. Now imagine I am a customer and you are a shopkeeper. Let's start. How much is this jacket?
It's $40.
Do you have any discount?
Yes, 10% today.
Perfect, I'll take it.
Now everyone repeats, how much is this? Do you have any discount? Nice. Now let's practice another topic.
Okay, phone calls, right? The scariest part for many English learners. But here is the secret pattern. Say your name. Say your reason. Example. Hello, this is Leo. I'm calling to ask about my delivery. If you need help, you can say, could you repeat that, please? Can you speak slowly? Now let's practice.
Good afternoon, Green Hotel. How can I help you?
Hello, this is Leo. I'm calling to confirm my booking.
Your room is ready for tonight.
Great, thank you.
You're welcome. That's very easy, right? Now let's practice another topic. Our next stop, the airport. Let's start.
Good evening. Show me your passport, please.
Here you go.
Any bags?
1 suitcase, please.
Great. Gate 8, boarding at 6 and 15.
Thank you.
Okay, now let's go to another topic. Talking about hobbies helps you make friends easily. Let's start.
I love painting. In my free time, I read books. I like photography. In my free time, I go cycling. Now, your turn. Say one hobby out loud. Nice! Now, many of you want to speak English confidently at work, right? Here are useful phrases like good morning. How are you? Can I help you with that? I'll send the report today. See you tomorrow. Let's practice.
Good morning, Anna. How's your day going?
Good morning. It's going well. How about you?
Great. Let me know if you need help with anything.
Thanks. You see, that's very easy. Now go to another topic. At the doctor's office, just describe how you feel. Let's practice.
What's the problem?
I have a sore throat and a fever.
You should rest and drink warm water.
That's very easy, right? Let's connect everything with a short story. It's Sunday morning. The sky is bright and sunny. Leo wakes up at 7, makes coffee, and goes to his favorite cafe.
Good morning. Can I have a cappuccino, please? The barista smiles. After breakfast, Leo goes shopping. How much is this shirt? He asks. Later, his friend calls. Hello, this is Anna. I'm calling to ask about our meeting. In the evening, Leo feels tired and goes to the doctor. I don't feel well. I have a cold.
That's amazing, right? Before we end, remember this. English is not a race. It's a journey.
And remember, one sentence a day is enough to change your future.
Say this with us. That every word I speak brings me closer to confidence. Repeat. That every word I speak brings me closer to confidence.
Thank you for learning with us today. You've done an amazing job.
Write one sentence you learned today in the comments. We read your every message.
See you next time. And remember, your voice matters.